Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best foldable mattress is probably one of the most versatile pieces of furniture you can own, offering a practical solution for small spaces, guest accommodations, or even a comfortable sleeping surface for yourself. Imagine transforming any room into a cozy bedroom in seconds, without the need for a permanent bed frame. These innovative mattresses are designed for ultimate convenience, easily folding away when not in use, making them a game changer for apartment dwellers, college students, or anyone seeking flexibility in their living arrangements. Get ready to discover how a foldable mattress can redefine your space and provide unparalleled comfort and practicality. Number 5. Olee Sleep 4-inch Tri-Folding Memory Foam Mattress Topper. Introducing a revolutionary sleep solution designed for ultimate comfort wherever you go. This innovative topper provides a plush and supportive sleeping surface. Experience a new level of rest with its supportive memory foam. It's engineered to cradle your body, ensuring a soothing and pain-free sleep. This is the ideal solution for temporary sleeping needs. It's perfect for unexpected guests, dorm rooms, camping trips, and travel. Enjoy portability without compromising on comfort. You won't experience any back or neck pain, even after a full night's rest on it. Our advanced packaging technology ensures it arrives conveniently compressed and delivered right to your doorstep. Unpack and enjoy instant comfort. Rest assured with its 30PUR US certified foam. This guarantees high-quality materials for a safe and healthy sleep environment. What we like? This one offers a great balance of comfort and support with its gel-infused memory foam. It's ideal for those who prioritize a cool and comfortable sleep experience. If you're looking for a topper that provides soothing sleep and is perfect for unexpected guests or travel, this is a solid choice. What people say. When I first opened this tri-folding mattress from the boxes and wrappers, it was 3 thick, as expected. While waiting for it to expand to its full thickness, I unzipped a portion of one end to inspect the construction. Just as advertised, with 1 blue memory plus 3 yellow foam. After leaving it alone for several days, the mattress expanded to its advertised thickness of 4. Everyone just needs to be patient at the beginning. I really like the fact that it's tri-fold because it's light and easy to maneuver. Each section is 25x25 and stacks neatly together when not in use and is 12 tall overall. You can wash the cover. It comes with a tag that says spot clean only, but forget that. I'm not going to put a sheet on this weird size mattress that I fold up every day, and I'm not going to just not wash the cover. So I bit the bullet, put it in my washer on the gentle setting with cold water, and dried it in my dryer at medium heat, and it was perfectly clean and perfectly fine afterwards. Number 4. SINWEEK Tri-Folding Mattress Foam Topper. Discover the ultimate in comfort and versatility with our innovative folding mattress. It effortlessly transforms to suit your needs, whether for lounging, sleeping, or gaming. Experience superior support with our 4-inch high-density foam. Its excellent elasticity contours to your body, providing exceptional comfort and relaxation. This mattress is designed for modern living, easily folding into a compact size for convenient storage. Take it anywhere with the included carrying case, perfect for guests, travel, or outdoor adventures. Keeping it fresh is a breeze thanks to the removable and machine-washable cover. Enjoy long-lasting use with minimal maintenance. Rest assured with our 30PUR US certified foam, ensuring high quality and safety. It's built for durability and your peace of mind. We stand by the quality of our product. Allow up to 72 hours for full expansion and contact us with any questions. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? This mattress truly shines with its versatile, multifunctional design, easily converting between a lounge chair and a bed. It's perfect for small spaces and various activities like gaming or reading. If you need a flexible sleeping solution that adapts to different needs and is easy to clean, this is the one for you. What people say. The mattress is very comfortable and supportive, making it a great option for sleeping on the floor. It folds up easily for storage, which is perfect for small spaces. The mattress is made of high-density foam that provides excellent cushioning and durability. Number 3. Kingfun Foldable Mattress Single Size. Tired of clutter? This foldable mattress folds up neatly, saving you precious space at home. It even comes with a convenient travel bag, so you'll never run out of room. Experience the perfect balance of comfort and support. Its unique 2-layer foam design ensures it stays comfortable and maintains its shape, even with regular use. Stay cool and comfortable all night long. The breathable mesh fabric keeps you fresh, while the non-slip bottom ensures it stays in place while you sleep. Unexpected guests? No problem. This portable bed is the perfect solution for temporary sleeping arrangements. It's easy to move, making it ideal for any situation. From sleepovers to camping trips, this mattress is your ideal companion. Use it for guests, travel, yoga, or any activity that requires a comfortable place to rest. We want you to be completely satisfied. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to help you find a solution within 24 hours. What we like? This option stands out with its dual-layer foam construction, offering a medium firm feel that balances comfort and support. The breathable design ensures a pleasant sleep environment. If you need a portable guest bed that comes with its own high-quality storage bag, making it incredibly convenient for travel and storage, this is an excellent pick. What people say? The mattress is surprisingly comfortable and supportive, even for sleeping on the floor. It folds up easily for storage and doesn't take up much space. The material is breathable and doesn't get too hot, even during warmer nights. Number 2. Intex Raised Airbed Mattress with Built-in Pump. Experience ultimate comfort whether you're indoors or enjoying the great outdoors. This raised airbed offers unparalleled convenience with its integrated pillow and pump. Say goodbye to sagging. Our air mattresses are engineered with advanced stability features to maintain their shape and support throughout the night. Discover superior comfort and support thanks to thousands of high-strength polyester fibers. This unique construction is designed to withstand pressure without compromising stability. Setting up is a breeze with a powerful built-in electric pump. Inflate and deflate in just minutes for quick and easy use whenever you need it. Don't worry if it feels like it's losing air initially, the material simply stretches for optimal comfort. Just re-inflate, and it will settle perfectly within a few uses. What we like? The standout feature here is the convenience of the built-in electric pump for quick inflation and deflation. Its raised height provides a more comfortable sleeping experience, similar to a traditional bed. If you prioritize ease of setup and a stable, supportive sleeping surface, especially for guests or camping, this inflatable option is a fantastic choice. What people say? Intex DuraBeam Plus Pillow Rest Air Mattress Built-in Pump delivers solid value with its queen-size FiberTech construction and built-in electric pump, inflating and deflating quickly for simple setup and takedown. It was comfortable for me. I am in my late 70s and was able to get up easily. It is very high so no one had to fall into it. It was soft and very easy to set up. Number 1. Best Choice Products 4 inches Portable Twin-Size Mattress. Experience plush comfort with our 4-inch thick foam mattress. It's designed to be both soft and supportive, ensuring a great night's sleep wherever you are. This mattress is perfect for various needs. Use it as a comfortable guest bed, a cozy option for camping trips, or even as a floor sofa for gatherings. Traveling is a breeze with its trifold design and included carrying case. Simply fold it up, zip it securely, and take it with you on the go. Setting up is easy. Just open the package in a ventilated area and allow it to expand fully within 24 to 72 hours for maximum comfort. Keeping it clean is simple. Spot clean the cover with a damp cloth, mild soap, and cold water, then wipe it dry. When folded, it's compact and easy to store, making it ideal for smaller spaces or for taking on adventures. What we like? This mattress offers a plush foam experience, providing maximum comfort and a soft feel. It's designed to be multi-purpose, serving as a guest bed, camping mattress, or even a floor sofa. If you're looking for a soft, comfortable, and portable option that's great for occasional use and easy to store, this trifold mattress is a great value. What people say? Unpacking and letting the memory foam expand to its full 4-inch thickness wasn't a problem. In fact, it seemed to finish forming in less than 24 hours. Standard-sized queen bedding fits just fine. Perfect for our camper dinette that converts to a bed. Easy to stow and super comfortable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.